How to fix Instagram professional account not switching to personal account. In order to fix this issue, first thing first, move into Instagram. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on space. Move into Profile. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the option of Help. Click on it. Tap on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without seeking. Tap on Don't Include. Now in this space, you have to state the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. Simply write that you want to switch to personal account, but it's not happening and it says something went wrong. Please fix this issue as soon as possible. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Send. Now within 24 hours, it should fix the issue. Once done, now you can go back and scroll all the way to the up. You should see the option of Account Type and Tools. Click on it. Tap on Account Type at the top of the screen. In this section, click on Switch Account Type and click on Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account once again. Well, you can see it says something went wrong, which means that the problem has not been fixed yet. Now you have to go back to your previous page of settings and then head over to Account Privacy. Simply enable Private Account option and click on Switch to Private at the bottom of the screen. This will also help you to switch from your professional account to personal account. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.